Worn and damaged roads are unfortunately not a rare sight. Fear of huge costs and long traffic shutdowns can make it seem like a huge project to get potholes, cracks, and other damages fixed. But with the right products, it doesn't have to be this way. With fast and easily applied road repair products, you can prevent damages from spreading and avoid more costly repairs. Most importantly, you will prolong the lifetime of the road and increase traffic safety. At Geveko Markings, we know that two road damages rarely look the same. That is why our road and surface repair solution consists of a combination of products to cover almost any type of road damage before they turn into big and costly projects. The products are all easy to handle. They require little equipment and manpower and are swiftly applied with a minimum closing time of traffic. You can simply have the products on your vehicle and quickly repair the damages as you see them. Geveko Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. ChipFill. Here you will see how easily ChipFill is applied. ChipFill is our hot applied surface defect repair system. It is specially designed to repair smaller potholes and cracks, but it can also be used to fill in the joints between cobblestones to prevent erosion and weed growth. As the name indicates, ChipFill consists of small chips which are easy to handle and apply. All you need is a broom and heat torch, and you are ready to go. Here is how it is done. Start by sweeping the surface to remove any dirt and loose particles. Afterwards, use a heat torch to remove all moisture from the area and make sure that it is totally dry before installation. Now, fill in a layer of ChipFill of maximum 15 mm. Heat the material to a temperature above 200 degrees Celsius by using the heat torch. Make sure to keep a 20 to 40 centimeters distance to the surface. With a slow, sweeping motion, ensure not to scorch and damage the material. The heated ChipFill will start to be fluent and follow the contexture of the repair. If the pothole is deeper than 15 mm, add a new layer of ChipFill, but make sure that all materials are liquid before adding a new layer. When the void is filled and you have made sure that all material is melted, finish off the repair by post-sprinkling glass grains on the repaired area. Then, once ChipFill has cooled, check with a gloved hand to ensure that the surface is firm before reopening the area to traffic. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. AggreFill for ChipFill. Here, you will see how easily AggreFill is applied. For larger potholes with a diameter of up to 1 square meter and a depth of 25 to 60 millimeters, it is recommended to combine ChipFill with AggreFill for increased resilience and durability. AggreFill is a hot applied, pre-coated repair system which should be applied in layers together with ChipFill. In this innovative two-part system, ChipFill functions as the binder while AggreFill works as the filler. Here is how it is done. Start by sweeping the surface to remove any dirt and loose particles. Afterwards, use a heat torch to remove all moisture from the area and make sure that it is totally dry before installation. Apply a layer of ChipFill to a depth of 15 mm to the entire surface. Use the heat torch to heat the ChipFill to a fully molten and liquid state. Add in AggreFill to completely fill the void. Use the heat torch to heat the AggreFill until the coating is fluid. Pour on enough ChipFill to fill the space and create a crown of approximately 30 mm. Heat the ChipFill until it becomes liquid and flows into the voids between the AggreFill. Add a new layer of ChipFill if necessary. Finish off the repair by post-sprinkling glass grains on the repaired area. Then, once ChipFill has cooled, check with a gloved hand to ensure that the surface is firm before reopening the area to traffic. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. BandFill. Here, you will see how easily BandFill is applied. BandFill is a hot applied sealer with high skid resistance. It can be used for sealing cracks in the road surface, as well as joints and edges of repaired asphalt areas. The surface material will provide initial skid resistance and prevent the repaired area to appear as a ghost mark. BandFill prevents water ingress and progressive fretting. This minimizes the risk of the cracks getting larger and helps you avoid more extensive repairs. BandFill is easy to handle and leaves no waste. It is compatible with all asphalt surfaces, and with the use of a primer, it can also be installed on non-bituminous surfaces. In fact, it can be applied all year round, even in low temperatures. Here is how to do it. Clean application area thoroughly by removing all sand, dirt, chemicals and oily substances. Use a heat torch to remove any moisture on the surface and in the cracks. Place BandFill on the road surface with the beaded top coat facing up. Make sure the individual pieces are positioned correctly at the center of the crack. Now, heat BandFill using a powerful heat torch. The pressure should be minimum 3 bar. To make sure that the heat is evenly distributed, move the flame slowly but steadily 20 to 30 centimeters over the material in a sweeping motion. BandFill must be heated until all the material is liquid. To make sure that sufficient heat has been applied to the repair, check for the following things on the application. The material is liquid and starts to bubble. The edges of the material have settled against the road surface. The individual pieces have fused together into one marking. Depending on the air temperature, BandFill will cool down and harden within 5 to 10 minutes after installation. ColdFill. Here, you will see how easily ColdFill is applied. ColdFill is a cold-applied, self-leveling sealer that repairs long and irregular cracks in an instant. All you have to do is mix the two components and apply. Because of its high durability, the product protects the road from further damages. This makes it suitable for permanent backfilling of cracks, outbreaks, and minor holes in the blacktop, damages that can otherwise be difficult to repair. Here is how to do it. Before you start application, make sure that the surface is dry, clean, and free of dust, salt, grease, and oil. Open the ColdFill bucket and mix thoroughly to get rid of any sedimentation. Pour the hardener into the ColdFill bucket and mix thoroughly for 30 to 60 seconds until the mass is completely homogeneous. Keep in mind that when the peroxide initiator is added, the curing process starts immediately. For small holes, deteriorations, and cracks, you can simply pour ColdFill straight out of the bucket and smooth over the surface with a trowel. For long cracks, we recommend using a screed box. This is a two-man job, with one person pulling the screed box in a controlled movement while the other continuously fills the screed box with ColdFill. In this way, you can repair long cracks very quickly. When application is done, add skid resistance by applying glass grains over the still wet surface. Curing time is usually 25 minutes depending on weather conditions. Geveko Markings makes preventive road maintenance easy, providing the complete solution for almost any type of road and surface damage. Contact your supplier or Geveko Markings to learn more. Together, we can keep the roads safe.